Ali Asghar Saif is in a great mood today. He is cutting jokes and I'm laughing at that. And we are exploring a new track today. We are running on a new road. It's totally new for us. For the first time we are running on this road. And this is beautiful. We are enjoying it. There's greenery. Streams are there, mashallah. Streams are there. Look at this place. Look at this beautiful stream, mashallah. It's Bedara near Nalu. So, mashallah. Azhar Khan Sib, one of our friends from Bedara, he suggested this road one day, and he suggested that we must enjoy running on this road only. So today we came on this road and it's really enjoyable. It's a great fun. Alhamdulillah.